you're welcome back again to my channel. Good evening. Actually, it's evening right now, and wherever you are, good evening, good afternoon, good morning. It depends on your time. So in today's video, I want to make some fish stew. Yes, not too much stew, just I want to do some quick stew, and I decided to share it with you guys. So these are all the ingredients that I'm going to be using. These are all that I'm going to be using. So next, adding water, because what I want to do is I actually want to boil the fish. I want to boil the fish before I start. I'll add some salt to help me cook my fish. So guys, I transferred this pot to this place so I can use this one. I'll be frying my stew over here. Some chopped onions. My fish is here boiling, which I think is so okay. I'll be adding now my 1 tablespoon tomato paste. Wait, sometimes I don't measure these guys, I just drop in, and some curry powder as well. And then I will stir everything together. Let me show you guys the inside. So here comes my blended pepper. So guys, after I just pour in the pepper, the next thing is for me to add my seasoning, because this pepper that I blend, I supposed to boil it, but I was too lazy to do that. So now this is my chicken seasoning that I showed to you guys earlier. Here is it. This. So I'll be adding one of these. This is how it's looking. This is my salt. Then I will stir this together, guys. I will stir it together very well, and I'll cover it to fry, because laziness is worrying me tonight. I'm doing this in the night. This is our dinner. We have not have anything since morning. I just got back from work and I decided to make some things. So I said, let me just make quick pepper stew. Oh my god, fish stew. I didn't realize this is going to turn out big like this. So I want to make it quick, and I said, okay, let me just record everything, make a video of it, so you guys get to see. So after I stir everything together, I will cover it and allow it to boil. So while that is boiling, my fish at this stage, I think this fish is done by now. So I'm going to take this fish off the heat. Oh, heat everywhere. Guys, this is the fish. I just boil it. If you like, you can keep the water, the stock, the fish stock, you can add it to the stew. But for me, I'll just take out the fish and drop it inside my stew when it is ready to add the fish. So that is that. Cover this and allow the stew to fry for some minutes. I'll let this fry for 7 minutes, then I'll come back for it and show you guys. Guys, this stew has been cooking now for 5 minutes, and I forgot that I have some boiled egg which I wanted to add, and I'm supposed to add the egg to cook together with the stew. But at this stage, it's not too bad, it's not too late for me to add it. So I'll be adding the boiled egg. So I just add the boiled cells and I will stir. The stew is looking so good at this stage, but I will leave it for another 5 minutes more so that the water can dry or we can fry very well. So I'll cover it now. Oh, my rice is doing wonderfully well. By the time the stew is done, the rice will also be ready. So guys, we'll come back in the next 5 to 7 minutes. Guys, at this stage, I'll be adding my I'll be adding the fish at this stage. As you can see. Okay. See, here we go. I'm going to show you guys inside properly. You guys get to see it very well. At this stage, it has been frying so well. So I will be adding the fish so that the fish can also incorporate together. That's how it's looking, guys. Yes, now this camera can focus very well. Can you guys see it? It has been doing wonderfully well. The oil has started flowing up, but we are not done yet. I'm going to stir it one more time and I'll cover it to allow it to fry very well, because it has not fried to my own liking. Okay guys, so the stew is actually ready now. As you guys can see, I've already turned off the heat already, so it is ready. Okay guys, so here I just have the stew with some white rice, the rice that I'm boiling earlier. I just served that.